our next video is going to be about the walk around turn. That is for both parties this time, okay? So we're going to do a walk around turn. You can do it on both sides, but I think we're just going to show you the one side that gives you a nice view. And what I want you to understand, we're going to take it from a closed position, all right, and give you a couple different angles. Here we go. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, cha cha. 1, 2, 3, cha cha. 1, 2, 3, cha cha. 1. Back to closed position, or open position that is. All right, so I'm going to put my back to you this time. Closed position to start off. And 1, 2, 3, cha cha. 1, 2, 3, cha cha. 1, 2, 3, cha cha. 1. Good. All right, now put Monica's back to you. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, cha cha. 1, 2, 3, cha cha. 1, 2, 3, cha cha. 1. Good. All right, so now you've got a couple, 3 different angles for you. You need to go through this and practice. Take your time with this, all right? And know that if you need more information, private lesson style videos will help out a great deal with that, all right? So, have fun, and then come on back for your next pattern.